One word, impressive.
Impresionante.
Amazing.
Exciting.
Fantastic.
Одним словом, это перспективный будущее Бодора.
Amazing.
Bodor now have the capacity and the technology to take laser cutting far into the future.
And also hope that we can together make more and more orders and spread more in the market.
My expectations for the future is that this dream park will give a lot of confidence for the customers to see the quality of the Bodor machines.
Que sea una fábrica con tecnología de punta, con una alta producción y sobre todo con muy buenos estándares de calidad.
Наш ожидается связанный с сохранением неизменного качества высокотехнологичного лазерного оборудования по риске металла.
I evaluate DreamPark as the biggest laser factory in the world, and I believe it will make Bodor grow incredibly and then become very successful.
Really, we hope and we expected from Bodor to be more and more the first one in the world forever, for a long time.
Bodor, Dare to Dream.